Ever dreamed of solo travel but worried your social anxiety would ruin the fun? I'm here to tell you that not only is solo travel possible, but it's also incredibly empowering, even for women over 40. My name is Nicole, and I'm excited to share with you today my journey and some valuable tips on how to overcome social anxiety while traveling alone. As someone who's been in your shoes, I understand the doubts and fears that come along with solo travel, especially when you're over 40. Women over 40 with social anxiety face unique challenges, like when it comes to solo travel, one of the biggest fears is being judged by others, whether it's for traveling alone or not knowing your way around a new place. You might worry about feeling lonely or awkward in social situations, or struggle with the idea of navigating unfamiliar places by yourself. These concerns can be overwhelming, making you wonder if solo travel is even worth it for you. Another challenge is the fear of not knowing how to handle unexpected situations like getting lost or dealing with language barriers. You might also worry about being perceived as an older solo female traveler and whether you'll be able to connect with others or find accommodations that suit your needs. These fears can hold you back from experiencing the freedom and growth that solo travel has to offer you. The good news is that there are ways to overcome these challenges. One actionable tip is to choose destinations that are solo traveler friendly, such as cities with a strong tourist infrastructure or national parks with easy hiking trails. This can help you feel more comfortable and confident as you explore new places. Another tip is to plan activities that suit your comfort level, whether it's taking a cooking class, going on a guided tour, or simply enjoying a relaxing day at a local cafe. Online communities and travel forums can also be a great resource for solo female travelers over 40. Joining groups or forums specifically for women travelers can provide a sense of connection and support, as well as valuable advice and recommendations from others who have been in your shoes. I'd like to share a story that I think you'll find inspiring. Meet Sarah, a 52-year-old woman who was hesitant to travel alone due to her social anxiety. She decided to take the plunge and book a solo trip to a coastal town in her home country. One of her biggest fears was meeting new people, but she discovered a local art class that allowed her to connect with others who shared her interests. As she immersed herself into the creative process, she found that her anxiety began to fade and she was able to connect with others on a deeper level. Sarah's experiences is a testament to the transformative power of solo travel. Her aha moment came when she realized that she was capable of navigating unfamiliar situations and making meaningful connections with others, even when social anxiety. This newfound confidence has stayed with her, and she's now planning her next solo adventure. Solo travel is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. And I want to emphasize that social anxiety doesn't have to be a barrier for women over 40. With the right mindset and preparation, you can overcome your fears and experience the freedom and growth that solo travel has to offer you. You're inspired to start planning your own solo travel adventure. I'd love to hear from you. Share your solo travel dreams or anxieties in the comments below, and consider subscribing for more tips on overcoming travel fears. I post every Friday new videos.